Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning up as many rooms of the house as I can. I'm using today to be the cleaning day. I really cannot get anything done until I clean this house because it is such a disaster. Everything has piled up way too much now and it's just getting a little embarrassing. So I definitely need to clean all day today until I get everything finished. I'm doing the laundry room, bathrooms, family room, kitchen. So if you needed any kind of cleaning motivation to get started on your house, I really hope this video helps you get started. If I can do it, you can do it. So before we jump in, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and let's go ahead and get started. Before I jump into a full day of cleaning, I like to be prepared, so I have my entire cleaning caddy ready, as well as a little basket that I'm going to be placing on the stairs to collect all the items that need to be brought upstairs. I'm also putting on running shoes because I've learned the hard way, if I clean without shoes on, my back hurts for like 2 days. So I've got my comfortable clothes on and my running shoes, and we're jumping right into the kitchen. So I like to kick off my cleaning by doing all of the things that can kind of self-clean. So that's the dishwasher and the laundry. So I'm just starting up the dishwasher so that can be happening while I clean the rest of the house, and putting in a load of laundry, so that's also being done. You have to get started on those things so you're not wasting any time. I like to clean quick and efficiently, so this is the first thing I do to get started. Now I can get started on the kitchen by tidying up all the counters. I like to start my cleaning in the kitchen because I usually find that it's the messiest and dirtiest, and when your kitchen looks bad, it makes the whole house look bad. So I'm starting out here so I can finally tackle this job, putting away all the dishes that have been sitting in the dryer for quite a while now and getting started on all the dirty dishes. Now I'm moving on to something that I usually forget to do. I'm cleaning up all the appliances with a stainless steel cleaner, and this goes such a long way. It really takes cleaning your kitchen to the next level and makes your appliances look fresh and new again. So I'm doing the stove, the dishwasher, the fridge, and the microwave, and this hasn't been done in a while, so this is going to look shiny and clean when it's all finished. Wiping down the countertops is probably one of my favorite cleaning chores to do. I don't know why I get so satisfied when I see shiny, clean counters and there's no food or sauce or anything left over on the counters. Let me know down below what your favorite cleaning chore is. We all have something. The dishes are for sure my least favorite thing, but counters are always my favorite. Another thing to remember to do when you're cleaning up your kitchen is clean off all of the handles, pulls, and knobs around your kitchen, as well as the cabinet doors. If these doors were white, you would see how dirty they really were, just splattered with food, fingerprints, and doing this just really keeps up the hygiene in the kitchen. Obviously, you're always touching these handles, but it also just gives it a fresh, clean look. We actually refaced this kitchen probably about 10 years ago at this point, and we picked this dark brown cabinet color and really regret it. So maybe in the future at some point we'll refinish it again and really brighten up the space, but I am thinking about doing a little bit of like a renter-friendly makeover in here, maybe changing out the backsplash, doing a renter-friendly solution to that, changing handles, making that pop a little bit more, and changing up this little eating area and making it a lot nicer. Another thing I should note, if you are looking for a new dining room table, definitely do not get a glass one like this. It is so hard to clean and maintain. It always looks foggy and messy, and yeah, it's just not the nicest. So that definitely needs to be changed up as well as these chairs. But anyways, that's a whole other story for another day. I'm just going to be cleaning up this kitchen and finishing it off with my LG Cord Zero vacuum. If you guys are looking for a vacuum recommendation, I highly recommend this one. It picks up absolutely everything. You will be astonished about what you find inside of the barrel. It is incredible and it's height adjusting. I cannot say enough about it. So if you're looking for a vacuum, I will link that down below as well. Now onto the family room. Oh my goodness, I have not seen this room this messy in a very long time. I don't know what happened here. This is one of those spaces that you just have to clean up to make sure the whole house looks clean. It's so open to everything, so you could just see the mess from a mile away. So first of all, I'm starting off with these toys, taking all of these big things that can't really be put away into a toy chest and moving them downstairs to the basement to store away, and just picking up everything that has been left on the floor, pillows, blankets, and getting it all sorted before we start cleaning. This is the perfect opportunity to use my handy dandy basket and put everything that needs to be brought upstairs into the basket. So I'm not carrying a million things, I'm just carrying my one basket, and it just makes cleaning a lot simpler and more efficient. Another thing I love to do while cleaning is diffuse some essential oils into the air. I'm adding in some grapefruit oil, tangerine oil, and lemon oil. All of those citrus scents are going to make it smell clean and fresh in here, and it just gives you this really nice, relaxing, and enjoyable feeling. For those of you that have seen this room before, you might notice that we have a new TV media stand in here. This is actually from my sister's house when we did that big makeover there, so they didn't need it anymore, so I thought it would be great in this room. It's the first step to the makeover of this space. And now onto freshening up this shag rug. I'm going to be putting in a bowl some baking soda as well as quite a few drops of essential oils. This is really going to deodorize the rug, freshen it up, brighten it up, and just make that lingering citrus scent last. So I'm putting in grapefruit oil, lemon oil, and I think tangerine, mixing that all up and sprinkling it around the carpet and letting that sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm putting it all over the rug so that it really sinks in, and while I wait on that, I'm putting in some laundry, switching up the loads in there and putting a brand new load in. That way I'm not wasting any time. I'm being very efficient with all my cleaning tasks, and as I'm waiting for one thing, I'm getting started on another. I did forget to mention that after we let the baking soda sit, you vacuum it up so you don't have any trace of powder left behind on your carpet, and this just refreshes everything. It makes your carpet stand taller, brighter, and it just makes the world of a difference. So if you guys haven't tried this, definitely try it out. It is a natural way of cleaning your carpet, or at least just refreshing it, and I think it goes a really long way. Moving down the house, we're getting started on the stairs and decluttering this whole area. I'm using this little basket to pick up all the different things that are left behind down here and bring them upstairs. I'm also going to be doing a little bit of redecorating around here in this corner. As I mentioned in a previous video, we're going to be repainting this entire main hall and probably into the kitchen this nice, soft, warm white color. It's really going to brighten everything up and just take away this gold color that's been here for so many years. It's just going to totally change the look of the stairs. So to get started, putting all these things that are left behind down here into my basket and bringing it upstairs. Moving on to this little corner here, I'm going to be moving this table out into the garage for future use, but for now I'm going to be bringing in a new little fiddle leaf fig tree that I got from HomeSense. I used it in one of my previous makeover projects, and I finally found another one at the store for this house. So the pot that we're using right now is just temporary. I want to get one that has a stand to it so it can stand a lot taller than this and be a little bit more significant. So that is just going to change this whole area and really open it up. Moving on to another disaster zone, the laundry room. It is such a disaster. We have this one cupboard that is just kind of a junk cupboard with all of the miscellaneous things that you need in life put away in here, like balloons, lighters, tapes. I don't even know what is in here, extra light bulbs, and it ended up all over the dryer. So I'm at least just putting everything back into a basket into the cabinet so it's a lot cleaner, as well as taking off all of this junk that's on top of the cabinets. That really makes it look messy and cluttered. So clearing that off, putting it into a bin, and moving it away is just so much better. Finally clearing off all of these surfaces so it can look clean and fresh in here. So now that I've covered all of the main areas of the house, I do want to tackle this bathroom because it is so messy and dirty, and I'm really planning on doing a big makeover transformation in here, and I need to get it cleaned up before I can even start with that. Right now, I'm in a new outfit because I'm headed out to the gym after I finish cleaning this bathroom. That's my little break within this cleaning day. I haven't been to the gym in months, so this is my first day back. This video is a whole lot of motivation for cleaning and getting your butt to the gym as well. I have all of these things out just to look at while I'm in the bathroom all the time. I have all these paint samples to paint the cabinets. I really want to change that up because I'm not loving this beige color, as well as this contact paper that I got, because I might experiment with using marble contact paper just because I want to make sure that I can do this makeover on a budget. I want to make it as small of a budget as I can to totally make a huge difference in here, and I feel like that will go a really long way. I also am probably going to be doing some really cool peel and stick flooring in here. I'm still waiting on some samples to come, as well as changing up this shower. I'm either going to be using this tub and tile refinishing kit or just getting a new shower curtain, but I feel like that doesn't change it as much as the paint will. So yeah, a lot of big changes in here. I'm kind of like stressing over doing it all, but I knew the first thing I had to do was at least clean up the bathroom so I could get started on the makeover. And just like that, I'm back home from the gym, and I'm back home to some clean clothes in the dryer. So I'm putting those away into a basket by just folding them and loading this basket up. If I do not fold my clothes right out of the dryer, there's a very low chance that I will do it later on. So if you're anything like me, just get it done right away and it'll make your life so much easier. I'm also bringing all the cleaning supplies down and back to where they're supposed to be to store away until another cleaning day. And that's it for today's cleaning. I cleaned from pretty much morning till night, got all of the main areas that I wanted to complete done, and now the house just feels completely different, all clean and fresh and decluttered. Finally. So if you enjoyed watching today's video and got some cleaning motivation from it, definitely give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel for more cleaning, organizing, and room makeover videos. I can't wait to have you guys a part of my channel. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!